Hey guys, welcome back to Rod Smoking Stuff. Today on the channel, we're going to be making a side dish to go along with our brisket. We're going to make a smoked pasta salad. So stick around, I'll show you how we do that. Alright guys, we got some of this beef smoked smoked beef sausage. Okay, watch and talk today. We're going to open this up. We're just going to slice it up. This is really going to be the only part of this that's smoked, but it is going to be smoked. So we're going to cut this in half, and then we're going to cut it down the middle. We're going to quarter this because we don't want big old huge chunks of meat in our pasta salad. And this is pretty simple. We're just going to slice this up and put it on the smoker until it looks good, nice and caramelized on it. Okay, we're just going to put that on this baking sheet that's covered with tin foil. I'm going to spread this out, and I'm going to go grab my barbecue rub. We're going to put a little bit of that on here, season it a little. Okay, so this is some of my CC Riders rib rub. You make this off, like I've said before, get this on all recipes. It is a little clumpy sometimes because there's no anti-clumping stuff in it. It's made from scratch. Anyway, we're just going to season that like that. We're going to have our smoker over here. It's starting to smoke. Just turned it on, so we're going to let that get going. And then we'll come out and get this sausage put on. Alright guys, we've got our smoker warmed up to 300 degrees. We're just going to throw our pan in there. Let those cook for probably about 45 minutes. Alright, so while that's doing its thing, we're going to get the rest of our ingredients. I have 1 can of olives in there. We've got these yellow pear tomatoes. These are out of my garden. You can use the red ones too. I'm just going to slice these in half and throw them in there. Alright, that's enough of those. Next up, we just have some regular mild cheddar cheese. We're just going to cube this up. Next up guys, we've got this red onion. We're just going to do half of it. There we go. And some cauliflower. This will be the last thing, and then we'll go get our sauce made up. I've got some water boiling inside with our pasta in it. Alright, I think that's enough. I'm going to mix this up real quick. See what it looks like. See if I think we'll need more. And I think that's great. You can see that. Okay, we got to cook our sausage, cook our pasta, and in the meantime, I'm going to go get the stuff for our sauce. Alright guys, we're going to make our sauce here. We got some spicy mayonnaise, so we're going to start with that. Probably about yay much. And we have some Olive Garden Italian dressing. That's going in about a cup. I like mine pretty saucy, so I'm adding a bit there. And then we're just going to mix this together and give it a taste. See how our ratios are here. We might add a little more, depending on if you like it more spicy or not. Let's try this. I could use a little more. You can put as much or as little as you like in. I just taste it. So it tastes good to me. Then I go with that. That's good. Okay, so we're just gonna pour this over this. We'll of course get our pasta in here as soon as it's done cooking. Just gonna mix this up. We'll take this inside, put it in the fridge till our sausage and noodles are done, and we'll come back and mix those up. Alright guys, I just checked our sausage and I believe it is done. Look at that. That looks good. It's all caramelized, got our spices on it. I'm gonna get it off. Guys, we're gonna get this off and we're gonna let it cool. Then we'll get it mixed in with our salad. I already put our pasta in the salad because I figured you could imagine how that would get dumped in there. Got a man down over there. The cats will get that. Nice treat for them. I'm just going to put this on a plate with some paper towels so that any grease or oil soak it up, and we'll put it in our salad after it cools. Got a couple that dropped on the ground there, but I suppose the cats will enjoy those. So shut this smoker down. Alright, we're going to take this in the house. Alright guys, our sausage is cooled down. We're going to put that in our pasta salad. Give this a stir. Then we'll try it and see if we did good. Oh, it's hard to scoop with this. Alright, there we go. Let's try this out. Hold of that tomato and some cheese there in this bite. It's good, guys. That spicy mayo gives it just the right spice. This is great. You can add anything you want to it, customize it the way you like it. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.